Hello everyone and welcome back to GigaBits. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Excalidraw, one of the simplest and most powerful online tools for system design, architecture diagrams, and team brainstorming. To start, open your favorite browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, and go to excalidraw.com. Once the site loads, you'll immediately see a blank canvas. There's no need to sign up or download anything. You can begin designing right away. On the left side, you'll find the toolbar, where you can create rectangles, circles, arrows, and text boxes. These are perfect for mapping out system flows, network structures, or UI mockups. You can even import icons or screenshots to make your diagrams more realistic. The hand tool lets you move around the canvas, and the lock option prevents you from accidentally selecting elements you don't want to edit. You can change colors, opacity, and line thickness, and even use shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Another great feature is real-time collaboration. By clicking Live Collaboration, you can share a link with your teammates so everyone can draw or edit together. Perfect for remote teams or classroom projects. When you're done, you can export your diagram as a PNG, SVG, or even a shareable link. In short, Excalidraw combines the simplicity of a whiteboard with the precision of a digital tool. It's fast, free, and ideal for anyone designing systems or concepts.